from the beautiful, beautiful Zoetry Montego Bay. Me and Mom are here for a Mother's Day weekend flex. You know the vibe. We are decked out in our robes right now, and they're very comfortable. And we had our first glass of champagne. We cheers to, life. And she's over there on her phone. But I'm gonna be showing you guys, our little weekend getaway and what we get up to. It should be a really cute weekend. We've been here for like about 2-3 hours now. We've just been chilling out. I did my hair and all of that.
Remember the first hotel we went to?
Yeah, beach. We always talk about.
Where name?
You look so good in my camera, girl. Show them the beach bag. Period. Yeah. Oh, how do we even get to your legs right now? Conceited. So nice today. We're about to head to the pool. We've been in our room this whole time, not really doing anything. We've been chilling. So we're outside now by the pool. We're gonna get some drinks and relax until dinner time.
Mango something.
She's drinking a virgin AGODA cream. She had 2 glasses of wine earlier.
Trying to drunk me or something.
Sparkling wine. No, I'm not. Sparkling wine. So I don't want to, at dinner she can have another glass of wine. I'm watching her. She's under parental supervision. I have to make sure. I have to space your liquor. I don't know what is your tolerance. What's your alcohol tolerance? You don't even know. Not even you know. It's not one drink because you've had like multiple drinks with me before. Yes?
Don't say that out loud.
We are headed to dinner and they have a live band tonight. Are we taking the stairs, Mom? Yeah. We're headed to dinner now and they're having Jamaica night and also have a live band. So we're gonna check it out and see what the food's like for dinner. How was your first half day so far, Mom?
Great, it's been great.
And the staff are really nice, by the way. I really like the staff here. The property is really nice and the staff is very nice. They're very, very hospitable. So it's going good so far. You're gone. We were gonna walk all the way out to the deck right there, but it's dark. Well, the deck isn't dark, it's lit up, but my mom's like, oh, the water is dark, so we can't see anything. We're like, okay, we're gonna just go back closer to the hotel. I actually need to like go back to the room and edit my vlog for this Sunday so you guys can get a vlog on time. So I'm probably not gonna stay out here much longer and I have some work to do. So we are back at our room. We had a good day today. A good first day at Zoetry. I was waiting on a comment. Oh, you're the worst. And they have these like in-room tablets, where you basically anything that you need, you can do it from the tablet. So I'm trying to get some ice. They had a mixologist class by the pool. I didn't see that. And they had a snorkel tour at 9:15 a.m. You guys can hear the plane passing over. The planes are very loud here. Like I have to be shouting now. That's the one thing. The planes are very loud. But then again, I live in Portmore, so I'm very used to hearing planes flying over my house. But just to note, if you're coming here, the planes are very loud. Woo. Okay, Ma, what are you doing? Oh, you feel like he was falling off? Let me show you guys her. She's like swimming this way.
Where is Candle in me, girl?
Just showing them. She's like living her best life over there. My tripod's blocking her. But she's living her best life. But
What I'm supposed to do for Mother's Day?
yeah, period. Live your best life. I love that for you. So tomorrow, remind us. Alright, tomorrow is Sunday. So for tomorrow, Mom, they have a 8:30 a.m. yoga by the pier. I feel like I'm gonna go to that. Gonna go to yoga tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
But I didn't. Did I wear anything to go yoga though?
I didn't bring anything.
8 a.m. An instrumental by Koyaba. 9:15 a.m. snorkel tour by Pier. I think I want to do the snorkel tour tomorrow, but I need some ice. How do I order ice, guys? This is what it looks like, by the way. Hope you guys can see it. This is what it looks like. Let's see if it works, guys. Moment of truth. Order placed for some ice. So guys, it definitely worked. They brought the this is like fruit infused water, but they brought my ice for my champagne. So the tablet worked, y'all. Good morning, my people. This is my morning. Not my dress lifting up and exposing me. Anyways, nobody's downstairs, thank God. The property literally looks like we are the only ones here, but there are people at breakfast, so you see them. But the property looks so empty, but I'm not mad at it. I actually like it because it's not like when you go to other hotels and it's like crowded, especially on the weekend, because it's a weekend and it's a celebratory weekend, you know. But the property is nice and relaxing. It's not crowded. They only have like 49 suites here, which is super nice. So it's a boutique style luxury hotel, you know, and I love that. I feel like, because you guys know I usually go to boutique hotels, but I go to like the more rustic ones, not like the resorts, because resorts aren't usually my thing. But I really can appreciate a resort like this, that it's like boutique style, so you don't have like a bag of noise or a bag of people, because that's my thing. I don't really like noise. I don't like noise. So something like this, me and my mom can appreciate, because we love when we come somewhere like this. The point is to relax and to, I need to brush my lashes, guys. I just washed my face, but the point is to relax and, you know, like de-stress. You don't want to have people screaming, kids screaming, all of that. No, we don't. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. I'm listening to my bishop.
Yeah, she's watching church right now while I was getting ready and doing some work. So we're gonna have breakfast, and then she's gonna have a spa treatment at 11 a.m. Yeah.
Yes, I'm looking forward to that.
Yes. Happy Mother's Day, sis.
Thank you, my daughter.
So guys, we're at breakfast now, and I ordered a smoked marlin sandwich because I'm obsessed with smoked marlin. Anywhere I go and they offer smoked marlin, I'm getting smoked marlin. That's just a rule. It's my rule. But mom says she's gonna try it. I think you'll like it. You'll see what the fuss is about. And I got a side of plantain as well, and a coffee, because they have a cafe right at the corner there. So I got like a French vanilla coffee. Period. And my mom's she's telling you guys she's getting a smoothie as well. Also, like when my mom goes anywhere with me and she's just like it's like now that I'm vlogging, she's like, everybody that passes or comes up, she's like, subscribe to her YouTube channel. Like the waitress came and she was like, subscribe to my daughter's YouTube channel. And I'm like, Mom, leave the people alone. But she's the real MVP, man. She's the real MVP. What do you have to say for yourself?
I am the real MVP.
Period, Mom.
I'm your cheerleader.
Biggest cheerleader. Always have been my biggest cheerleader.
Yep. Service at Zoetry is up there. 100.
Is it really 100, or you'd say like 10 out of 10 across the board?
10 out of 10 across the board.
She was
It's
just
really
like,
refreshing.
good customer service, right?
Great customer service. I'd recommend Zoetry any day, every day.
I hope people can hear me because of all this wind. But it's very windy here, so I hope you guys can hear me. But Mom is basically saying that the customer service is really good, which it is. Anything you ask for, they just deal with it for you. Sometimes you don't have to ask, they just keep coming to you. But it's really good. It's still a little beach. It's a little beach, but it's not like a nice. Maybe I'm spoiled by Negril, I don't know, but it doesn't have much of a beach. So that's the only thing, but otherwise everything else is nice. We want to go out in those floating things. I also wanted to do some of the water activities, but I don't know yet. We'll see.
Carla, that's pool of crabs.
Guys, I tried to go into the water just now, and there's a bunch of holes in the water, which is already very creepy, right? Then I'm like, it's obvious that these are like adult crabs because there's a bunch of like baby crabs on the sand. I wish I could show you like all of them over there, but there's so many in the sand right there. You guys can barely see the movements, but if you look, you'll see like little movements on the sand. So yeah, I went into the water and I was like, okay, maybe I can like finesse it and try walk around the holes, and then I just saw a crab swim away and I was just like, yep, nope, not doing it. I'm not going back in the water. Like, it's so creepy. Let me see if I can show you guys. Like, look at all the holes, guys. See one right there. Crab holes. One there, one there. Good morning, y'all. It is like after 9 and it's our last day here on the property, and we just finished taking like some content and we're heading to breakfast. So we're about to enjoy our last day. We don't really have anything much to do. I want to do the water activities because I've been wanting to do them since we got here, but I'm gonna see if we can do anything today before we leave, and then yeah. So guys, we're gonna be leaving here in about half an hour time, and our stay here has been really good. The staff is really good, like they're very attentive, and the customer service is really good, and I definitely come back here, honestly. The only thing, as I told you guys before, even though I don't know if you guys could hear me, because one thing about Zoetry, it's very windy here, like always, right? But the beach, they don't have much of like a beach, and like in the sand there's like crab holes and stuff. And like when it's kind of creepy, like it looks kind of creepy to me because like I'm afraid of crabs, right? And then like when you go into the water, it's like you'll see them swim away, which is kind of creepy. But that's the only thing. So I wouldn't like use the beach per se, and it's not much of a beach. It's like, or maybe I feel like I'm spoiled by Negril maybe, but it doesn't have much of a beach, right? But the pool is nice and everything. The staff is really nice. The food is really good. Like everything I've had to eat has been really good. I have no complaints. The drinks are good. Even though, you know, with COVID and everything, they still have like everything available, unlike a lot of the places that I've seen. Like they might not have like that many things available, but they've had everything, you know, since I've been here. There are no limitations on anything, and it truly is still all inclusive. And as they call it here, they have endless privileges, which is their way of saying that it's all inclusive, but like on a luxury level, I guess. But it's been a good stay, honestly, and yeah.